If your no-bake granola bars always fall apart the second you pick them up, today's fix is simple. These slice clean, hold together in your bag, and taste like a café snack, without turning into a sticky sugar brick. Here's the lineup. The twist is the binder: tahini and maple for flavor, date paste for chew, and a little cocoa butter so the bars actually set, no oven needed. First, quick date paste. Drop 8 to 10 pitted medjool dates into hot water and let them soften for about 5 minutes. Drain the dates, then blend with 2 to 3 tablespoons of warm water until it's thick and smooth like soft peanut butter, not runny. In a big bowl, stir together oats, toasted coconut, hemp hearts, pepitas, cacao nibs, dried cherries, cinnamon, and a little salt. Get everything evenly mixed, now it matters later. Pro tip: pulse about half a cup of oats for a few seconds. That little bit of oat dust fills gaps and helps the bars bind so they don't crumble. Set a small saucepan on low heat and melt the cocoa butter, no simmering. We're just melting and smoothing, not cooking. Add tahini, maple syrup, your date paste, espresso powder, and a tiny bit of white miso if you've got it. Stir until it turns shiny and silky, about 1 to 2 minutes. Pour that warm binder right over the dry mix. You want it warm so it coats quickly and evenly. Now mix, don't baby it. Fold and press for about a minute until every oat looks lightly lacquered. This is where the never crumble part starts. Transfer to an 8x8 pan lined with parchment. Press hard, especially the corners. Use parchment on top and the bottom of a measuring cup to really compact it. Chill for 60 to 90 minutes, then slice. Want extra clean cuts? Warm your knife, wipe it dry, and slice. Drizzle a little dark chocolate if you're feeling it. For the full recipe, measurements, and troubleshooting, check the link in the first pinned comment or head to nobakedessertslab.com.